Well, actually, it's a good decision by Modi government that he has taken back, he has repealed the laws. But the thing is that why under Gurpurab? Why? Does he want votes or like for what? If he had to do that, he could have done it way before, and he could have saved many lives, many farmers' lives. So, but I know it's like people are happy that he has taken the laws, but anyhow, we won't trust until and unless there is a written in the parliament and it's passed by the parliament written. So when it's done, we'll be happily moving all from here. We have worked since 1 year, and even if Modi ji doesn't do it, then we will be here since long, and let's see how it goes. But if as soon as possible the parliament approves like the repealing of the laws, then yeah, we will move on and we will be happy. And not just me, not just us, all the farmers, all the people, and everyone who were just suffering from this, and especially the families who have martyred their children, their people, their loved ones, who have lost their loved one in many years. So hopefully we are happy, and we seek forward that Parliament does it as soon as possible.
A lot of feelings regarding this Andolan, because like we were fighting for those who were not aware about the consequences of this law. Like we are the farmers, we don't have that much consequences as the salaried class is having, and they are putting question on our integrity, on our loyalty, on our Desh Bhakti. They are starting giving us certificates like they are Khalistani, Naxali, Mawalis. तो वो जो फीलिंग आती थी मन में, वो एक लाइक ऐसी आती थी कि क्या ये देश हमारा है? मतलब इतने सारे लोग हमको ये चीज़ बोल रहे हैं, हम लोग उनके लिए लड़ रहे हैं। किसानों को देखिए क्या है, वी आर हैविंग अवर ओन लैंड। बेसिक चीज़ आपको रहने के लिए क्या चाहिए? आपका पेट भरना चाहिए। कुछ भी नहीं होगा तो आप खाना तो खाओगे ना, एंड वी कैन डू दैट। द प्रॉब्लम इज मिडिल क्लास। आप सोचिए कि अगर आप एसेंशियल कमोडिटीज़ का स्टोरेज कर लेंगे और उसकी स्कैर्सिटी बना देंगे, देन व्हाट विल बी द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस? लाइक इफ देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ डिमांड एंड नो कमोडिटी कंज्यूम्स, all are being stored by some big corporates, then prices will be high, and this is the basic consequences of this law. And the category which is going to affect were not realizing that these are the consequences, and we were fighting. I feel that we were fighting for them, not for us only. We were fighting for them, and they were not aware, and they were giving us the that kind of certificate to us that they are Khalistani, they are Pakistani, they are Naxalite, ना, that kind of. तो वो जो फीलिंग मन में आती थी, वो एक बहुत ज़्यादा हमको हर्ट करती थी, हमारा बहुत डिमोरलाइज हमको करती थी वो चीज़। तो फिर उसको हम सोचते थे कि कभी ये समझेंगे, है ना, कभी ये समझेंगे। तो वो चीज़ें हैं, ऐसी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं। हम लोग जैसे एक फार्मर था, वो हमारे सामने एकदम उसको दौरा पड़ा, और ऐसे मतलब लाइक हम कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे थे कि उसके लिए क्या करें। उस समय यहाँ पर सारे रास्ते बंद थे और बहुत सारी ट्रैफिक था। वो इट वाज 2 AM in early morning, and he was starting shivering, and we were all helpless. तो वो हमारे सामने ख़त्म हुआ। तो उसका भी हमें वो चीज़ें हैं सारी जहन में, वो सारी चीज़ें, तो ये सारी बहुत सारी, लेकिन अल्टीमेटली व्हेन यू गॉट विन सम बिग बैटल्स, तो वो सारी चीज़ें आप भूल जाते हो, या उन चीज़ों को आप ओवरलुक कर देते हो। दीज आर द थिंग्स।